Hi, I'm Paola Ranova, creator of the Cardinal Method of Life Connection, which is an energy healing system that uses crystals and is now helping thousands of people all over the world. We have hundreds of people who've taken our course and have become Cardinal Method practitioners. And it just feels so wonderful to be able to say this, that the Cardinal Method is helping so many people. And today I want to ask you a question. Do you love energy healing, but for some reason you hesitate to dive into this world? Something stops you, something kind of blocks you, and you don't really know why. Or maybe you have taken the step of really embracing energy healing, partly, but you don't allow yourself the abundance that it can bring, financially and professionally. Something blocks you in that area. So if this is resonating with you, and your eyes sparkle when you see a crystal, and you love nature and animals and plants and the beach or a waterfall, or you love hikes, do you feel the energy in the room when you walk in just by sensing it? Or do you sense somebody's emotions without anyone saying anything? If you have this kind of sensitivity, very likely you have energy healing talents. You were born with energy healing powers, but you hesitate to embrace them. Maybe you don't really want to dive into this world, but something within you is calling you in this direction. So if you're hesitating about energy healing and what I'm saying is resonating with you, I invite you to the workshop that we're going to have starting on February 10th called Turn Your Emotional Blockages into Strengths. Because the very thing that's stopping you from embracing energy healing and embracing life in all its abundance could be the very key that will allow you to have the beautiful, wonderful life that you were born to live. So I will be so happy to have you in our workshop. It's there waiting for you. And if your soul is calling you, now is the time. I can't wait to see you there. Just sign up on the link and I'll see you soon.